Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to another video of our series in Dubai. Today is day 2 and we are now at the creek for a dure cruise, guys. So there are a lot of cruises behind us and we're gonna have dinner on one of these cruises today. There are a lot of cruises like from there all the way to here. It starts at about 9 o'clock, that's when the cruise starts. So your pickup should be around 7:30. They pick you up in a cab, they'll bring you all the way to here, or if you're planning it on your own, you can just come here by taxi or on your own and then they'll take you in one of these cruises. Just make sure you're here by at least 8:50 so that you can get on one of those cruises. So we were actually late because we got stuck in traffic, but however the cruise is behind. We're going to take a small boat and then jump onto the bigger boat now. So let's go. I'll show you all the cruises that are around, and then once we enter the cruise I'll show you what it is like. So let's go guys. And if you're new here, right, don't forget to watch the previous video or just watch the entire playlist of Dubai, and don't forget to subscribe as well.